I'll sit here.
Okay,
and watch it, and you get on that side.
Okay, well, I've got it on, so
okay,
I want to watch it.
Okay, jump down until my mom's ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay. I'm ready because I've got it on.
Ready to lift?
Go, Sahil. Huh? You go.
The sound is amazing.
I jumped down when I can.
Okay, jump.
It's jumping over my elbow. Okay, here I go. Merton, this is funny.
Yeah, he laughs at Olivia.
This is funny.
Okay, ready?
I think you have to swing to do it. Martin, this is funny too. Martin, this will be funny. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, here I go. Here I go, Mommy.
It's too good. Okay, ready? Martin. 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 Good strike.
Okay, go
I
sit
gotta feel like
here.
he's laughing at Three Stooges. Yeah, get over there. That's back.
Okay,
I don't know if I can get the volume though.
Mommy.
Okay, Olivia.
Make him laugh.
Okay, now drop down.
When they get down, I'm laughing. Okay. Merton. No, Merton, look. Up there.
Okay.
The land is swinging the ball. Okay, just go.
Oh.
Okay, go. Ow.
He laughs a little at it.
Okay, here I go.
He just laugh as much with Sahil as with Olivia.
Okay.
You ready? Olivia.
Mommy.
You know what, Olivia? I want to try and get Martin laughing. That's what we're trying to accomplish here.
Go, Sahil. I'm shooting monkey ball.
Oh. Are you okay? Did you hurt your butt? You can hear that one like, oh.
Okay, here I go. Mommy, can you get this on me swinging? Because I want to get to Abby so she'll know. Because the last time I did it, I didn't really do it. Hey,
I've got you plenty of times going all the way across.
Olivia, I don't want to do the monkey bars anymore. Okay,
Okay,
I
you don't have
think
to.
tomorrow. I can play somewhere else.
Oh.